What's up, traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Arbitrage School. If you're new to my channel but you haven't subscribed, you can kindly do so. Uh, just as I told you on the previous video, I'm giving you the direction on how you can set your MT5. Yeah, once you download the MT5, you are going to see something like this. Okay, first you are to create a demo account, which is going to do it automatically. Okay, so let's see how it's going to be. So I just click on the MT5. Let's get it. You can see open a demo account is just kind of trying to create the demo account itself. Okay, so it's going to automatically create a demo account for you. That's for the MT5. Okay, you accept this. Okay, you accept this. So as you can see, it just creates a kind of demo account. This is just a demo account for MetaTrader. Okay, something like this. You can see up here, you can see MetaTrader 500 demo. Okay, you can see. So it just created a demo account. Okay, so this is not what we are going to be using, because you can see these are all forex pairs: Euro, USD, GBP, and USD, CHF. You can see all these are forex pairs, which we are not going to be using them. Okay, we are trading just synthetic, and for you to get synthetic, you need to have a deriv broker. Yeah, you need to have a deriv broker. Yeah, you heard me right. So that's not what we will be using. Okay, you can see there's no settings. This is just the default of the MetaTrader. Okay, so yeah, so what we are to do is to now create a demo account for the deriv. Okay, on deriv broker. What you have to do is to come here, click here up. Sorry, let me show you here. Click here. You can see manage account here up. Manage on this manage account, you click on it. Okay, then you come here on this plus sign. Yeah, ignore all this, they're not of use. You're just wanting to add up another broker to it. You click on this plus sign, then search for the broker, this find broker. You search for deriv sorry deriv. So you can see deriv limited. Okay, then just click on it. Yeah, you fill the necessary information. Okay, you just click on open demo account and fill the necessary information. This is just it. Okay, first name. Let me just fill up the information. Let me pause the video. Just fill up your own information. Yeah, you use your country code. You use the plus, that's if you're in Nigeria, just like Nigeria, you use +234. Yeah, and the rest of the country, you just use your country code. Okay, so this is just it. Once you're done, you click on this as accept. Yeah, once you click on this accept, then you register. Let me do it so as we can see the outcome. So you can see, after filling up the information, clicking on register, let's get it there. You can see allocating, new account successfully created. You can see, then you click on done. Clicking on done, you can see we now have deriv broker on the MT5. You can see MetaTrader 5 deriv. That's a deriv MT5. Yeah, I just created a demo account. The essence of this demo account is for me to analyze my market. Yeah, if you don't have deriv account, you just check on the video description. I will be dropping a link there. Don't go and maybe install a kind of different deriv. Okay, I'll be dropping the link on the video description so as you do well to register. Yeah, so this is it. You can see we now have deriv deriv broker here on the MT5. So we have we can now have access to other pairs, not just these ones. These ones are not of use. Let me show you how you can take them off. Clicking on these quotes down here, this quotes, you can see this pencil, pen, whatever. So you just click on this deleting box, select them, click on all, just delete them. Yeah, then click on this plus sign so as you can be able to add up those synthetic traits. Okay, you can see we now have the volatility. Okay, we now have the volatility, the step indices, crash and boom. Yeah, we all have them right now. Before, you won't be able to see them except you register that deriv. Okay, so this is it. We'll be making use of the boom and crash. Yeah, it's just the boom and crash for now, because that very signal works. uh it works for boom and crash, that very indicator. But sometimes you can try you can try the good you can try the some other signals. Okay, so this is it. You can see we now have the synthetic treat. Can we now have the synthetic treat. We now have the synthetic treat. So this is it. You Once you want to switch it, you click on this dollar sign up here, the dollar sign up here. You click on it and search for boom or crash. You see, so this is it. This is it. Okay, we are good to go. We are good to go. So that's it. If you haven't subscribed, you can kindly do so. Okay, I'll be dropping the setting on the next video. Just the setting on how you can set the RSI and the rest of the indicator. Okay, some of the settings for the signal. I'll be dropping it on the next video. I don't want this video to be that long. That's why I just kind of let it be this way. Okay, so we are good to go. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Expect the video maybe later in the evening. I'll be dropping it. I'll be dropping it today. Okay, so let me just drop this one.